Back at it. Second load on a Sunday. Mountain of Steel. It's a hoarder house, and I'll show you what I got. That kind of makes my heart hurt when I see people like that. Nice people, but you know, mental things. You know. Anyway, let's just get this done and let you check it out. Again, helping people clean up. You don't fall out on my head, but we'll be all right. Hustling and grinding. Gloves on, boots on, long sleeves. Oh Lord, looky here, looky here. Got some cords to trim too. And don't leave the hand truck behind, baby. Get that out of the way. I'm gonna put this right here, so I remember to put it back. Oh Lord. Here we go. Let me use this to smack that. Yeah, save the brass. Get this bad boy out of here. Boom. Cut with some cords. Man, everything you see, like I said, came from a hoarder house, and it's been sitting like who knows how long. But you know, part of it is it might have been a community where they don't have bulky item pickup, so like, and people may not have a lot of means, and they don't know what to do, you know. It's a trip. I'll be a monkey's uncle. Oh, here it is. Got you right here. Okay, Grandpa, let's go. Cut them cords. Always do pretty good on those. I'll keep them moving, I swear to God. Save them right there. Boom. Get these out of here. Get that rebar out of here. Okay. Keep this piece. Me like it. Okay. Cut this. Yeah, you could tell these been around for a while just by the rust on them. They've been out in somebody's backyard for who knows how long. Like I share with you guys, I always try to grab these cords if I can get them. Oh my goodness. They always pay off pretty good. Don't know the exact price right now, but I'll get them out. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Most unusual fan I've seen in a minute. Man. Come on, baby boy. Get it. You guys leave those comments behind, don't bother me none. We just get them out of here. Washers are heavier than dryers, as you know. Got it. Good. Next. Anyway, then I gotta hustle to another job after this. That's okay. Sunday hustle day. All for a good cause. Like I told you guys, everything that I do for a lot of this, I get the tip money. In fact, I feed my football team at halftime. Now everybody and their mom, even the training staff wants to eat some of the snacks I bring for halftime. Makes me laugh. But that's okay. That's why we do this. Plus we clean up the community, keep this stuff out of the land. All right, got to get the smoker out of there. This one has wheels, thank God. Boom, boom. See you later. All right. La otra smoker. Electric smoker. I know them ribs is good. Last one. Get it out of here. Come on, Grandpa. Don't leave that behind. All right. These guys, CWS and Gardena, closes on Sundays at 2 p.m. Man, I got here like a 1:40. I said I gotta hustle. I know these young people want to go home, so I'm gonna sweep this out. And I'm glad you guys got to come along and watch the journey. And hey, just remember, mental illness is real, and try to help people wherever you can. I'm glad I was able to clear this out of that hoarder home and gave them a little bit of space back for the relatives. Appreciate you guys so much, man. I'll catch you on the next one. Get out there and hustle and grind and clean up your community.